Where have you been? Where are you? Come here. I'm gonna make this fantastic risotto. I know you love risotto. You right into that you love risotto. I'm gonna make risotto with a fresh, sustainable tuba. Tuba? Tuna! Make sure it's a lovely and fresh tuna. And it's so easy to make. Here I have ingredients. Very important I use this ingredient. Anchovies, because it'll give you a lift from the sea. They'll give you a little bit of saltiness. Then it go chili, give you a kick. Garlic, I can't cook without the garlic. Then I got some peated olives, lovely. Capers by the sea. You need a nice tomato. Look, nice, it's got thick skin because we don't use the inside. Onions for the risotto. And surely, how can you do without this fantastic and fresh parsley? And wine. It is very important when you make a risotto, you always use wooden spoon, not to use a metal. Why? Because with the metal, when you stir the rice, you break the rice. With this one, you caressing the rice. You know, I can imagine somebody smack you with a metal, bang. No, only joking. You're gonna really hurt. But somebody smacks you with a wood, say, ow! Tuna, you cut it. You need about 150 grams of fresh tuna for each person. Then you cut it to a small cubes. So simple. In a frying pan, olive oil. Then you have about, oh my goodness, 3 anchovies. It's almost dissolved. 1.5 cloves of garlic, cut them in half and slice the garlic. Capers, olives, half chili, I love it. Now come to the tuna. Stir it. Don't need to cook for too long. I need a little parsley. Cut it. I need to put a little splash of wine. That is very good. This is very good. Oh gosh. It's ready. Don't have to do anything. There's an marriage of a flavor inside. Oh, dance. Oh, it goes along beautiful. Now, set them on the side. Let me do the risotto now. Why I'm doing the risotto separately? Yes, it is. Because I wanted to cook the rice free. Even I'm going to put a little tuna which is dissolved. And right at the end, I'm going to combine the two together and they're going to dance inside the plate. Watch me what I'm doing. Now, slowly, 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 you cook. As soon as the stock evaporated, you add more little stock. Keep it stirring till the rice gets all together, kiss one each other, and they produce that beautiful, sticky flavor. The starch is coming out. The risotto almost ready now. Look, almost dried up. So what I do, I'm gonna put everything inside. All this lovely flavor and finish off. I keep stirring because it's almost done. Who took my tomato? Where's my tomato? Somebody, where's my tomato is here? Ah! I need a little tomato, again, to give them a little bit of a color. This is, oh. Everybody dancing, everybody jumping, and I'm sweating. Little touch of lemon. Let's plate it. And this is risotto with a fresh tuna. Please do make it. If you can't find fresh tuna, tin tuna, also good, but add right at the end. When everything else is done, don't cook with ingredients. You'll love it.